Would you believe me if I said there was one place on Earth where the population of a town lived together in one building under one roof?
Oh my God. It's sort of taken my breath away. I'm worried about dropping this camera over the edge.
Well, here in China, it exists. Welcome to the Colossus, known as the Region International Center.
The helmet, no keys, 8 apartments.
204 meters tall, spread across 39 floors. This isn't just an apartment complex. It's a self-contained vertical city.
Seriously high.
What's your hand?
Sounds like some sort of dystopian nightmare, right?
Feels like a prison cell.
Stranger, please contact the admin.
Looks like the authorities are here. And then, around here, his bed. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another scorching hot day here in China. We've traveled to a city called Hangzhou, about an hour southwest of Shanghai. And we're investigating a very particular place where people live today. Oh my God. This is it. Wow. Just wow. So behind me here, guys, this is the Region International Center. This is a huge, huge building where apparently 20,000 people all living here under one roof. So we're going to go and check it out now and find out how people live in a building like this. It's sort of taken my breath away. I really wasn't expecting it to be that scale.
Hangzhou's Region International was built in 2013 with grand ambitions of being the world's first 6-star hotel. But a failing Chinese economy meant the need for housing outweighed the desire for hotel luxury. Now the building aims to create a self-sufficient space for people to live, work and socialize without ever needing to step outside.
It's like when you see one of those cruise ships. You can't quite contemplate how it exists in the way it does, and it's exactly the same for this. It's absolutely monumental. Look at it.
This is hilarious.
Local co-host and content creator Troy is at my side again today.
So they are exposing some, misbehaviors.
What does it say? What sort of behavior?
Walking the dog in the car park.
Really?
Yeah, see?
That's outlawed, that's bad.
There's another one. Walking the dog in the building. They want to expose this kind of a behavior to make sure, although it's a big scale building, lots of people living here, but people still respect each other.
It's got standards. Should we go in and have a look? We're gonna go in and check it out. It's like a hotel. It's like you're walking in quite a fancy hotel. It's not like a tower block. Lovely marble staircase. Some fancy light features on the ceiling here. Marble everywhere. Impressive.
The Region International now has more than 5,000 individual apartments.
Our guides are taking us to see the size of each individual apartment when this building was first opened. So I think actually, because it was supposed to be this high-end, quite luxurious building, the initial apartments were quite big. Basketball hoop.
And look, this is the size of the apartments when it was first built.
Incredible. Wow. Look at this view. Look at it. Beautiful. I mean, of course it looks great on a sunny day, but still. Lots of green, so much green.
I don't mind.
It's kind of not what you'd expect living in a big tower block.
High rises.
The river over the back there as well. Lots of modern high-rise buildings, modern, I guess, office buildings here. This is incredible. What a place. But can you ask the guys if they know that about people chopping up for residential purposes? How many could you squeeze into?
如果他真的把这个给拆分，能拆分成多少个房间？
消防那边
要求是
6间，
最多6间。
对，最多6间。
So you used to go up to like 8 rooms.
This room would have been chopped into 8 rooms.
There's a fire in 2021, so it caught the attention of the authority. Then they set the regulation to maximum 6 rooms.
How would you cut it into 6 individual apartments? It's crazy.
Actually, people can be super creative about how they want to structure their apartment rooms. Of course, some people might divide them into different smaller groups and sublet. People living here? No?
Yeah, it's just 3. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
And then upstairs. There's another 3. Yeah, if you have a torch, put a torch on. 1 there. You can fit just about. It's crazy, isn't it? 2 more rooms there. 666.
It's a lucky number in Chinese.
It's lucky.
But
I was gonna
not so lucky in
No, that's what I said. Yeah, I wouldn't live in that one.
Rent in the smallest apartments starts around $200 a month. And when you're inside, you understand why.
It's like it's proper wallpaper.
There's no privacy at all.
This part you are on top of each other. Their clothes hanging down. This one's not so fancy.
Look how many plugs are packed into this one bedside table. That's because there's no room for a second one. And this dining table only has space for one person at a time.
You need to see the second bedroom.
Oh man, no window. No window in this bedroom. Goodness. I mean, it feels like a prison cell even with that bed and the sort of bars, but if it's going to be like, it'd be awful, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Like a jail.
And look, the shared kitchen. It's the size of a small closet.
There's a touch of the dystopian about it. I better leave before they find that we've been filming in their apartment without their permission. Yeah, you know how much? How much?
Oh, 2,700.
2,700, okay.
You get the feeling you're being watched the whole time inside the building. And that's because you are. This is good old Chinese surveillance culture in action.
First thing we have to do to get access to the building, you have to go through these kind of security gates. And there's little screens next to them, so you show your face as a resident, and it recognises your face as you go through. So I'm going to try it, just to see how. So, red mark straight away, I'll do it again. Yeah, look, red mark. No permission. Oh well, at least it works. It's safe. All right, Troy, you should try.
Like what?
Just try and put your face.
You know?
See if.
Let me see. Oh. Stranger, it says.
Is that what it says? Stranger, look there, does it?
Stranger, please contact the admin.
Stranger.
China has one of the largest networks of security cameras in the world. In 2019, this was believed to be around 400 million cameras, but was expected to rise to more than 540 million by 2021. For context, the total amount throughout the entire world in 2019 was estimated to be 770 million cameras. So China has way more than half the global total. Huge amounts of China's urban areas are under near constant surveillance. And these cameras come with real-time facial recognition features. But surveillance is so integrated into normal daily life here that it doesn't even stand out. And many people would tell you that their life is actually made more convenient as a result. And there are plenty of examples of convenient tech inside this building too. Like a vending machine that's smarter than both of us.
Would you like a drink?
Yeah, I mean, I would actually genuinely love a drink.
So I scan the QR code on WeChat, then I unlock. It's all integrated on WeChat, the super app, so it's very fast. Confirm and visual scan. All right.
There you go,
Okay.
click. You just help yourself,
Yeah, help yourself.
and how does it know what you've got?
Yeah, you will know. So there's the cameras here,
他们有那个感应器，就是拿出来。
also sensors, cameras and sensors.
So the camera would have seen that's what came out.
So there's a camera, so you can like a bird view of
Yeah,
all the.
Looking down when the door's
Shelf.
open.
Okay, that's 6.5 yuan.
650, okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. So we're on our way now to meet a guy who runs a delivery service from an apartment here in the building. One of the apartments has turned into a little shop. It's like a little mini mart up on the 13th floor. Pretty cool. Everything, got noodles, there's the Red Bull, drinks, and then around here, his bed. And a little living area. Very interesting. I think this is a guy here. Hello.
Hello.
Steve, nice to meet you. Ni hao. Mr. Liu.
So he's the
Steve.
owner of this shop. 你是这个店的. So once the order is placed, they will be able to deliver the stuff they order to their doorstep. They developed this mini program on WeChat, so they can directly place order from WeChat.
WeChat is a Chinese super app, a bit like WhatsApp, but you can use it to pay for stuff like hotels, flights, and taxis.
So once the order is placed, there will be receipt coming out of this machine.
Okay, he grabs it and then he runs down to there. Do you have anyone else helping you?
做的生意吗？还是有其他的伙伴？ Only him.
Ah, that's a great little business.
Oh wow, this is his side hustle.
Okay. What's his main hustle?
Subletting rooms. Oh, this one, for example, is the one he's subletting. So I guess the upper level is subletting to somebody else.
So he owns both levels. He's renting out the top to people living,
Yeah.
and in this level he runs a little shop. How many items is he selling a day?
哦，或者是 sale 多少钱？大概约能分。Okay, so he's giving us a sales number for a day. It's like more than 1,000 yuan per day.
Okay, so about
That's
100.
not bad. I
Yeah.
think.
Well, if he's only 2 weeks in as well. So it sells about £100 worth, 1,000 yuan worth every day, which is pretty good for someone just 2 weeks into it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What an entrepreneur. This is all examples of the food items he has. Nuts and funny little squidgy meat. Oh, look, chicken feet. Packaged chicken feet. Not for me, not for me, not for me, not for me. What are the most popular products that people who live here buy?
青岛 beer.
It's beer, yeah?
Yeah, 青岛 beer.
Crates of beers. So they're the most popular product. Is that heavy,
很重啊，
carrying that to someone's door?
还好吧，还好，人家肚子。
Okay. Makes you strong.
那你变更强壮。
If you are going to have a business like this, you've got such a great market and such a great audience, haven't you? Like, you've got 20,000 people, 20,000 customers on your doorstep, or you're on their doorstep. It's one of those ideas like Deliveroo, where you think, I should have thought of that. What a place.
All along the maze-like corridors, there are small businesses mixed in among the apartments. We find beauty salons,
A lovely chilled vibe in here.
hair salons,
We've still got a Christmas tree in June.
It's not very appropriate. He's at work.
Sorry?
It's not very appropriate because he's at work.
Ah, okay.
And downstairs you can find every kind of Chinese food imaginable.
Wow, look at this. Buzzing in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 food places, just that I can see from here, in the food hall underneath this building.
And a rooftop bar.
Wow, this looks cool. Super cool. Look at this place. Cheeky little bar. Well-stocked bar. Cheers, guys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Good day, good day.
So it seems life in a massive anthill can actually be pretty good. But then you soon realise that these people, stylish haircuts, good food, cocktails in hand, will eventually return to rooms no larger than a bed. And for many, the chances of finding a partner or starting a family are slim to non-existent. This raises serious questions about China's declining fertility rate and its rapidly ageing population. These vast vertical micro-cities offer, on one hand, a practical response to overcrowding. Yet on the other, they stand as quiet warnings about a future shaped by isolation and loneliness. So what do you think about this? Can this be a template for the future of urban housing? I'd love to know.